Hi, this is Michael Fisher for SavingAndInvesting.com, and in this series we're going to look a little bit more at some of the practical elements or the actual products that are offered to us as savers and investors. Now, many of the videos that have been produced and created for SavingAndInvesting.com have very serious and real practical implications, including providers and users of capital, equity and debt, stocks and bonds, mutual funds, dollar cost averaging, the impact of time, tax considerations, as well as some of the other videos that are more related to understanding the financial world around us, some of the definitions of what is a stock, what is a bond, and how the ones related to the economy, fiscal policy, and monetary policy are terms and items that are used very frequently in the press and that come up in everyday situations, whether that's in the newspaper, any newspaper, a general newspaper, a city newspaper, a financial newspaper, or any type of journal or magazine, because the financial world has become so important to our civilization and to how much of the Western world works, and that has been the case despite the ups and downs for literally hundreds of years. But in this particular series we're going to look at some of the products that are offered to us as savers and investors. And these products include things like 401k retirement plans and other structures that are put in place or that are offered to us, often with government support or government endorsement, or often related to the laws that are set up in particular countries, or that are made available because of a tax incentive or because of the desire of a government to have us save and invest for retirement. And on the other hand, the desire and the need of the government to have pools of capital available that are available to fund businesses and governments in their operations, either in the form of equity and debt. And that is what this particular series is aimed at looking at, and taking some of the elements that we've discussed in other areas and relating them to some of these products that we can then look at and implement in some cases, and also that are offered to us on such a regular basis, whether that is through our employment, through asset management companies, or through a bank.